Hello, I'm Alison Giles, Learning Coordinator at the Whipple Museum of the History of Science in Cambridge, and this video is part of the Museum Remix Unheard project. This is a box of kit for preparing microscope slides. It belonged to the microscopist Charles Elcock, who lived from 1834 to 1910 and did most of his scientific work in Belfast. It's got the glass slides themselves, labels, string, and all sorts of chemicals needed for preparing and fixing specimens into the slides. Without someone who knows how to make slides like these, no one can use a microscope to discover or explore anything. I've picked this object because I'm really interested in the stories of people who contribute to science but don't become famous scientists themselves. If the only stories we tell about scientists are about people who have the time and money to spend their time doing science, then the stories of most scientists throughout history remain unheard. Charles Elcock started off as a clerk, doing his microscopy work as a hobby in the evenings after work. By the end of his life, he had been so successful that he was acknowledged as an expert on a group of tiny organisms called foraminifera, and he was proud to call himself a professional microscopist, making a living out of science thanks to his hard work. He was great at sharing his research and knowledge. He was part of something called the Postal Microscopical Society, which sent slides and information to subscribers through the post. So I'd like to continue that by sharing his story and those of others like him. You might want to think about, who counts as a scientist? Why do we seem to think that the person who looks through the microscope is more important than the person who makes the slides? Where are the opportunities for people to get involved in science in their spare time now? Is it okay to make money out of science? If it's not okay, how do we open science up to people who don't already have enough money to live on? But it's entirely up to you. Happy remixing!